Hi, this is Captain Damien Jeanette with the SWAP NC and Economic Financial Analysis Committee. Here are your second quarter 2022 financial results for Southwest Airlines. Our fleet consists of 730 aircraft at the end of the quarter. The company has stated we have 4 aircraft in storage for the quarter but have retired those 4 in July of 2022. This brings our active aircraft count to 726 aircraft. We did retire 4 700 aircraft and received only 12 of the expected 24 MAX 8s for the quarter. The company announced a new expected end-of-year fleet count to be 765 rather than the previously stated 814 aircraft. For the quarter, SWAPA pilots flew more than 33 million passengers. Looking back historically for second quarter 2021, we flew 26 million, in 2020 5 million, and 2019 was 34 million. Meaning we were almost back to 2019 passenger counts. Revenues for the quarter was $6.7 billion. That's the highest revenue by quarter in our company's history. The second highest revenue quarter was second quarter 2019 at $5.9 billion. At SWAPA, we look at the adjusted operating income and loss first. This measures how the core business actually did. This excludes one-time special items such as fuel hedge gains or losses and is before interest and taxes. So after having operating revenues of $6.7 billion and adjusted operating expenses of $5.5 billion, we had a profit for the quarter of $1.1 billion. On a percent of revenue basis, that's an adjusted operating margin of an awesome 17.4%. If we take into account fuel hedge gains and losses on a GAAP accounting basis, you can see that our core profit was $1.1 billion. After this core profit, you subtract interest expense and arrive at a pre-tax earnings. This is important because pre-tax earnings is the basis of the profit sharing calculation. So naturally, the next question is, how was profit sharing? We accrued $81 million in profit sharing for the quarter. This means our first half of 2022 is $118 million versus first half of 2021 of $109 million in profit sharing. Turning to liquidity, Southwest is still in a very cash-strong position. We have $16.4 billion in unrestricted cash, $10.5 billion in long-term debts, which means our net cash position is $5.9 billion. Our leverage, or adjusted debt to invested capital, is 53%, coming down nicely from last quarter of 56%. Per the Carriage Restrictions, Southwest has not repurchased any shares, nor have they paid any dividends. During the last round of PSP funding, the terms restricted both share buybacks and dividend payments until the end of September 2022. We do firmly believe that Southwest will start paying dividends by fourth quarter of 2022. Executive compensation is still restricted until April of 2023. I'm told that's all the time we have. If you want to send any comments, please email com@swapa.org and let them know. Thanks for listening. I'm Captain Damien Jeanette, signing off.